Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before you all get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So today's video is going to be me doing an updated version of box braids of my brother's hair. So if you all see my last video, make sure to check that out. I have that link down below. So this video I'm just going to basically see how long his hair has gotten since then, because it's been about 6 months. That's a long time to me, and I feel like his hair should have grown. I feel like it has. So in this video, I'm just basically just going to be blow drying his hair before I braid it. On my last video, I've seen a lot of you all were asking or telling me that I should blow dry his hair. So that's what I'm doing in this video. So if you all are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm using this heat protectant spray, and this is Turn Up the Heat. I don't remember the brand name, but this stuff stinks so bad, y'all. So after this section, I was like, you know what, honey, I'm not using this no more because it stinks so bad. So I used it for this section, and that was it. So I'm just gonna work my way up from the ends to the top, like detangling his hair. I'm using my what's this brush called? My denim brush. This brush is so bomb, y'all. It's like $14.99 though. That's why I haven't gotten another one, and mine is like raggedy, toe up, but I'm just not trying to pay $15. But anyway, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start blow drying his hair. And honestly, I wish I had a better blow dryer that got his ends a little bit more straighter. But unfortunately, I don't have my blow dryer is really old. So yeah, and as y'all can see by his faces, y'all already know he's tender headed. If you've seen my last video. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to be using this Main Choice 3-in-1. This stuff is so bomb. I put this on after I got finished blow drying his hair, which I don't know why, because it's basically a detangler. I should have used this before I started blow drying his hair, but you'll see that in the next clip that I did start using this before I started blow drying the rest of his hair. And then once I put that in, I'm just going to go ahead and just brush through, make sure I get all the tangles out. And this Cantu oil is so bomb, y'all, like especially for braids. I think this is what it's meant for. It's meant for when you have protective styles like braids. So yeah, I use that on his hair just to give his hair a little bit more moisture and not be dry as he is wearing this protective style. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back in and try to get those ends a little bit straighter as I can. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Eco Styling Gel, and I'm using just like a little bit of this. I don't want to use a lot because I don't want his hair to curl right back up. I'm using just a little bit just to lay down like any flyaways or any like frizziness that he may have in his hair. And then, yeah, it also kind of helps with sealing the braid at the end of the hair as well. So that's basically what I'm using throughout his whole entire hair. So these are the things I'm using to do the box braids on his hair. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you all like seeing videos with me and my brother, me doing his hair, or me just doing anyone's hair in general, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also at the end of this video, he is going to get a haircut. So you all will see the final touches at the end. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye. Action. Action!